All right, so I am in the middle of organizing all these tools and getting everything cleaned out. This became like a catch-all. So I have this MagLite ML50L LED flashlight that also has one of these caution land an airplane cones. Megan got this in a campaign box that she was doing, but it has mounting brackets, and I am going to mount it up here, I believe, so that in case I need quick access to a flashlight, or if there's a plane about to crash, I can safely land it. So let's do this. All right, today has been a wild mini project day. So I'm gonna open this MagLite now. Let's see, anything I need to know? Quick focus, quick click. 299 meters, it says, 490 lumens. 15 hours on high, 29 hours on low, and 112 hours on eco. It's got an eco mode. Ignore the vagrant in the background. This channel is not for children. All right, safety airplane landing cone, flashlight, 2 mounting brackets, 2 C batteries, and floating around in here. Whoops. Oh, Christmas decorations saved the other screw. 2, 3. All right, 4 screws. All right, I'm gonna put the batteries in. Hold on, let me turn the other music off. Not trying to get copyright nailed. All right, let's see if it works. Yep, it works. Cool. And the little land an airplane cone just hooks right on. Cool. So there's this and this. What?
Why do you need that?
That's just a flashlight I'm gonna hang up.
With the cone?
Yeah. All right, so what I'm gonna do actually is get some of those command strips to put it on here first so I can stick it where I want it and then screw the screws in. That way I know it fits and everything's perfectly lined up. So I'm gonna do that. And then once I have it up, it's very simple to just, you can screw right through the command hooks and you know it is set up in the right spot. Peanut butter spoon. You're on camera. This channel is not for children. No children allowed. Go get your own peanut butter spoon. All right, all set with the 2 command strips on there. Let's, install it.
Over by the yellow box right here. We don't want anybody stepping on that. Do we? Nope.
Right there. Boom. And now I can just slide it out. And I'll put the 4 screws in and it will be done. Wham bam. All right. We can land a plane now. Perfect. So got a couple of flashlights here. Always need flashlights. And this one hanging right there. So you can just easily quickly take that cone off. Clearly it's going to be used as a regular flashlight, but if it's got the cone, you never know. Be good for traffic or whatever. All right, thanks for watching another quick Redbeard adventure video installing this aircraft carrier landing in the middle of nowhere flashlight in the tiny house. Please subscribe to this channel. I do all kinds of random whatever trending in my brain videos. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments below. Please share with one of your RV or tiny house friends, and have a great day.